Add your clip to the timeline. Go to Fusion page. Search for Planar Tracker. Change from point to hybrid. Go to the first frame. Select the area you want to track. Create Planar Transform. Remove the Planar Tracker node. We don't need any more. Add a map control node. Connect Planar Transform node to the blue arrow. Add a polygon node, but connect to the yellow arrow. Mask the TV screen. Soft the edge. Select the map control node. Voila, you tracked and masked your TV screen. Let's add some footage. Create a compound clip for color grade and add some effect at the end. I will use 3 footage, so I will create 2 more compound clip. Add a multi-merge node. Copy and paste the Planar Transform node. And don't forget to connect in the yellow arrow, not the blue. To add a transform node, resize and position your footage. Select the multi-merge node and select the operator from over to under. Do the same for the other 2 clips. All your clip will start at the same time and not going to be able to see in order. To change that, with hold first frame, you can select the frame when your clips start. And with the trim, you can trim your clip. Congratulations, you tracked, masked, and add 3 clip. It's time to color grade and add some TV effect. Open each compound clip and go to the color page. Add some LUTs. Search for analog damage. Under Scan, uncheck Adjust CRT framing. Add some vignettes. For more realistic results, we need to add the reflection of the TV. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.